today it is the 18th of September 2020. And here is Kartanontie 8 Stekesei in Järvenpää Treskenda, Uusimaa-Nyland, Finland. This is amazing. Abstraction by Semag.
Yeah.
You used the right code here, luckily. This one has 4 floors. It was built in 1989 and turned 30 years old in last year, 2019, and the serial number is 51652. And still the older Semag local. Of course. I thought it was dropped hydraulic extraction. It's going to be inspected in 2022. Let me check the call button. I love these doors. I love the color of them. Like red orange.
Yeah.
Memory. But maybe it will forget the call.
Yeah. Inspected by QA inspector, maintained by Espoo's.
Bad maintenance.
Yeah, you can feel the bad maintenance here.
Yeah. Didn't forget it.
Yeah, just in ground floor it happens normally.
Yeah. Or it happens when you press the button, and then sometimes you have to press it again. So
Yeah,
it will go. It happens often in Semag elevators.
Yeah, mostly in ground floor.
Yeah, and I think it's even more often in the 1990s.
Yeah.
Like later in the 1990s.
That's
Kronenberg. And I think that's because, well, later in the 1990s they made it even more cheaper.
Yeah.